monetize your work beyond simply painting would be to create content for your own blog or other bloggers who are willing to pay for that content, even pitching story concepts to publications and magazines. You could also start your own YouTube channel and monetize some of your videos that way if you've got some nice educational tips. That is one other source. Teaching, of course, is always a wonderful way to not only connect with people, but to share your passion. And if you are a good speaker, or you feel that you've got something special to offer, you can actually develop quite a great following and a loyal following. And that's certainly how I spent the bulk of my career. I've been teaching some students for almost 15 years, and they've traveled with me as well. So I think you just need to get creative about different ways to feel like you're still being an artist and being true to yourself, but not giving your work away for free, and also making sure that you value what you do and that you think you've got something that people want as well. So there are a number of ways, including creating prints from your work, or greeting cards, or depending on the type of work that you do, if it's more design or illustrative based, you might find that there are companies who want to create textiles or dresses from your designs, or covers for journals, or maybe you are more interested in doing covers for novels or magazines, that sort of thing. So it's really endless, and that's just you working for yourself, but there are lots of collaborative opportunities as well, especially when you get into publication.